Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine for sale today. This one is a 1997 Mercury 115 two-stroke. This is a 20-inch shaft remote. This one came back PSI 140 on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the carbs were rebuilt. The fuel system was cleaned. We do run 91. We run a winter mix, so it does smoke. That's why we turn the fan on. I know it can get hard to hear the engine, but I gotta keep it breathable in here for my guys while it's windy and cold outside. So I'll fire it up here, let you listen to it for a second, then we'll turn the fan on and we'll go through with the video. Go ahead, hit the fan. They smoke a lot more when you first fire them up, plus we mix them a little strong. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. If I give it too much throttle, it will cavitate in the tank. That's kind of what you're hearing. Go back to neutral. Reverse. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.